All right, let's open this package from Bulgaria. You are watching the unboxing of the Sexy Knob from Enhance. Enjoy. All right, so I got this package from Bulgaria from Enhance, and it is the Sexy Knob, the next step after the sexy buttons that are programmable for I don't even know how many things you can program, but now all I gotta do is press the programmed buttons and I won't have to dig around in the menu on the screen anymore. So all right, here we go. Nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, tightly wrapped in bubble wrap, and here we go. There it is, the Sexy Knob from Enhance. It says connect the Sexy Knob to the commander and the Tesla server to control over 60 actions with a single click. Great. All right, I'm gonna just open this, but I'm gonna do the install video later on very soon, today or tomorrow. So let's see what's inside the box. Ah, it's one of those. There we go. Yep, magnetic boxes. All right, so there we go. This is the commander, and here is the knob and the buttons. So take that off, and it's got a nice click in between each position. The buttons have a nice feel to them, and the knob also clicks. So there you go. What else we got in here? All right, this sticker goes on the back just to cover up all this garbage, and these stickers are spacers that you put here or here so that it will fit flush in the storage compartment. And there you go, there's all the connections. So I understand that there's two ways to connect this, and I'm going to do the easiest one, which is also the one that will hide all the cords and everything, so it'll look good. So that's it. I will get an install video out to you soon, and we'll see how it works. I have high expectations for it. All right, thanks. All right, here it is, just pushed into place. I haven't hooked it up or anything, but just letting you know this is where it fits. And it's gonna be, I can't wait. It really looks awesome. So, all right, subscribe to get the next video, the install video, and we'll see how this thing works. All right, thanks.